Hey guys, George at SoundTraxx here. This week we're going to talk a little bit about the Blunami. We're going to talk about the Android versus the Apple app, and we're also going to talk a little bit about the Blunami range. So let's get started. So guys, as we're continuing to improve and work on the Android version of the app, one of the things that keeps coming up occasionally with customers when we're talking to them is, do I need a separate decoder for my Android version? And the simple answer is no. The decoder is going to be the decoder regardless of whether you're using the Android tablet or device or you're using the Apple tablet, iPad, or device. Now, much like a DCC system, when the DCC system generates a command, you have the different throttles in your hand that will allow you to generate the DCC command. Now, the differences between the Apple operating system, the iOS, or the Android operating system is really what the differences are between the app. So basically, the different versions of the app are telling the device how to generate the signal that the decoder needs to receive. And so therefore, the signal that's coming out of the devices through the Bluetooth signal is going to be the same whether you're using an Apple tablet or an Android tablet. The signal is going to be exactly the same. Just like with your DCC system, the signal is going to be essentially the same between an NCE system and a Digitrax system or whatever other brand out there. And so therefore, you don't have to worry about changing a decoder out or having to only use the Apple version or only the Android version of the decoder. The decoder does not change. So if you're holding out waiting for an Apple version or the Android version of the decoder itself, there isn't such a thing. The decoder's the decoder. It's receiving the command sent through the Bluetooth signal. So the good news is now you no longer have to wait. Now, we also have different formats that are available in the Blunami to help make the decoder installation easier. And for those of you who missed the announcement a few weeks ago, we did actually announce a Blunami new edition using a 21 pin. So these we're hoping to be shipping somewhere around mid-March. So make sure to contact your retailer and get those on order today. Those are really exciting. It's really going to make using Blunami really, really easy. Now, when it comes to the Bluetooth signal, a lot of people ask the question, is this, a short range? Because most people are used to their headphones or their wireless earbuds, things like that, that generally have about a 30-foot range or about a 10-meter range. Now, the good news is that this is using a slightly different protocol using Bluetooth Low Energy or BLE. And BLE actually has a much wider range, and it also transmits a lot more data than simply just sending out audio signals. And so the BLE is what you'll see being used if anybody has any smartwatches, whether it be an Apple Watch or Fitbits or any of that type of stuff. That's actually using the BLE communication protocol as well. So it's the same thing. But when it comes to range, we actually advertise up to 100 feet. But if you click on the video that you can see right here, or maybe it's over here somewhere, but you'll be able to see where we've taken the Bluetooth decoder outside, and we've actually gone about 145 feet when we lost connection. So the range is amazing. Usually if your home layout, you usually will have line of sight. Should be good with communication for the Bluetooth with your smart device, whether it's an Android or an Apple tablet. So guys, I hope this has been helpful for you. If you have any questions, be sure to check out our website or email us at support@soundtraxx.com, and we'll be happy to help answer any questions we can for you. Remember, we're here to help you, so feel free to ask those questions. We're here to help. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.